Our mission is to solve the problem of software fragmentation in the IoT industry. We see a culture today of product developers building their own products from scratch and using this non-differentiated but very complex technology and building it all themselves. And this isn't actually adding value to their own product. They're not actually building their own value into the product. So what our solution is an open software platform consisting of firmware and operating system that allows you to actually customize open source software to your own use case and your own hardware and your own application. We deliver this as open source microplatforms for both Zephyr and RTOS and for Linux. And our customers can then take a subscription that provides the infrastructure so that they can customize that solution to their own requirements. They get a test and CI framework to enable them to continue to build this software in their own environment and deliver this with continuous software updates as needed to their customers for the product lifetime. We have lead customers in the areas of factory automation, integration of hardware security elements into the microplatforms, and device and fleet management. And these customers are already seeing value from the use of an open platform customized to their own requirements. We think that our products are going to have a lasting impact on the industry because we should be able to reduce the level of technical debt, increase interoperability and security of IoT devices as we connect these billions of products worldwide.